So we're going to slowly walk here. Can you say that word? Pejihota. Jota. The H has the dot. So that jota is like gray or maybe silver. And peji, pejuta is medicine. So you put those words together. Pejihota is the sage, you know, when we smudge, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Isn't this awesome? Oh, and there's a wichangpi, a star. And, you know, like wichangpi in the morning, the ampao wichangpi, morning star, Venus maybe. Oh, look at this one. You know these guys. Tachcha. Tachcha. What is that? You can tell. Deer. Deer, yeah. Oh, and this. Wow. I love the Chanhadeshka Wakan, the 4 directions, the sacred hoop. Should we, you know, I love numbers. We should count those circles. And I bet there's a message there too. Of course, we have Waziata, Itokagata, Wiokpiata, Wiokyampata, Onkatkia, Kutakia.
16 circles.
16. That's what I was hoping. You know the Initipi in our backyard, the sweat lodge, right? When we build the sweat lodge, we start with 8 pair of those willows. 2 from the north-south, 2 from the east-west, and then 2 in between those and in between those. So you get 8 times 2, 16. So we have many reasons for this, but it's also our understanding that Wakantanka, a great mystery, great spirit, come in 16 ways, you know, in our creation story.
Okay, hot.
Yeah, yeah. So here's our Chanhadeshka Wakan. And you know, it has the 4 directions, the sacred hoop, Waziata, Itokagata, Wiokpiata, Wiokyampata. And we think of the above, Onkatkia, and the below, Katakia. And oh, there's the psine, there's the wild rice. Yeah, so we'll walk this way a little bit. Psine. You know, Ojibwe moing, they say Menomen, but before it was Menomen, we called psine. For many thousands and thousands of years, psine. Oh, what's this one? You read this one. What's this one? Say again?
Mato.
Yeah, mato. See that's got a line on it. Oh, mato. So makwa or mato, bear. Yeah. So you could see whichever way you're going here. If people go around the lake this way or this way, they go around the lake sort of the way the sun does or opposite of that way. We say heoka when it goes there. Oh, here's a good one. Yeah. How about that word? Can you read that one?
Champa.
It's got the dot on the, yeah, champa. Champa. Yeah. So those kind of berries, right? But chang is like wood or plant. You know, there's so many. Oh, here comes my favorite. It has to be my favorite because, you know, your grandpa. So can you say that one? Tatanka. Tatanka. And he's got those horns. And you know, Ate name was Tabadoka Sapa Itokab Najin Shni. Well, Tabadoka, it's still got the ta. And the ta referred to the hoof, you know, and Tanka is big, of course, so the big hoof, you know, Bigfoot. But Tabadoka is like the male, the bull, the buffalo bull. And that was Grandpa's name. Great-grandpa, your great-grandpa, sorry. Oh, here's another one. Yeah, Kea. And you know we live on Keawita, Turtle Island. So I guess we're at the end of our story here. But notice that word there. If you come from this way, Dayayahi. It's like welcome, a very good welcome. Like nice to have you here kind of thing. So yeah. Dayayahi. Welcome. Kea. It's got that k with a dot, so Kea. And the Wichangpi, the stars. I like that they have these animal relatives by the stars because, you know, those animals are up in the sky too. The star animals. There's buffalo stars, turtle star. They're all up there.